So Namaskar, Namaste. This is your Papan Bhai, CMA H Padmanabhan, right? I am coming with a very brief video. One is with regard to NARIC. Yes, it was. See, recently we have received a circular from our Institute of Cost Accountants of India, and a notification has been uploaded in the website. An effort by the Professional Development Committee, which we have told the council is very happy to accept that suggestion, and now we had given whatever requisite details that research center would like to have, and they have gone through the entire syllabus of our Institute of Cost Accountants of India, right from intermediate to final, and they have told that we are having that much quality syllabus for our students. So they have classified into two categories, that is intermediate and final. So those who clear intermediate, it will be treated like a bachelor's degree, and those who clear the final, then it will be treated as a master's degree. Now what is the benefit? Benefit is more than 200 countries across the globe, they give that much importance to the report and the statistics and the declaration and the certification given by this NARIC. Okay. So accordingly, for job opportunities, for any immigration or other things, for higher studies abroad, for job and other facilities, for higher level growth in the career, you are now eligible not only for any scope of this thing for our profession, even for qualified intermediate students, as well as for the complete passed out students or members. It is going to be a drastic change, that recognition will be received across the globe. That is the beauty of NARIC. And in fact, our friend at Akrur 16 in Twitter, many of you know, he had requested me. That is why I came. Initially I was not knowing about this thing. Through our friend channel, yesterday I came on that, number one. Number two, foundation students are asking as to when the results will come. Yes, definitely it will come at the earliest. Only thing is the last minute fine tuning is going to happen. It will not be before Christmas. So please enjoy the Christmas without any tension and this thing that it might come, or we want you to enjoy your holidays also, right? So it will come soon. Number three is with regard to the admit card which our students who forthcoming examination for intermediate final, yes, within 1 or 2 days or within few days, definitely it will reach to you. And the center also. Center means not the exact place. Place you have already chosen, right? So in that place there will be either one or more than one centers also. So rest assured, all details will reach you within 1 or 2 days, or at the maximum before this weekend, but definitely because almost it is finalized, right? Then some of the questions was related to the pattern of the examination. Yes, we are very clear in our communication. In online examination, this is how we have to go ahead with. Okay. So what we will do is MCQ, multiple choice questions will be there as is usual, which you are all very happy. Now the balance question number 2 to 6 or 7 or 5 or whatever it is, as the case may be, and in that options are there. That has to be maintained because of some standard. Within the question only option can be given. Earlier in offline, yes, you people are correct, we can write all the 7 questions or 8 questions or whatever it is, and best out of that you can do. That sort of a thing cannot happen in online. Here we are very clear. We want to check whether the student has understood the subject or concept. Yes, some of the students are telling that, Papan sir, you have not understood what you are telling. Yes, I have understood at least now. So I am telling you to help you what we are going to do for those people who told that we could not appear in the model examination, which was not with Proctor at all. That is why you are feeling that you can take a photo, you can take a video, this or that. Final examination will not be like that. This model examination was to give you a chance to be familiarized with the system or familiarized with the mode of this thing only. It is not that like examination, model examination, whenever students would like to take it, somebody will be sitting there to supervise students taking at different timings or this or that. Yes, there were some this thing also. We agree that whatever problems and this thing is there, we have understood. The institute will take due care. The person who is conducting the examination on behalf of the institute, who has been vested with that job, they will also take a due care to rectify all these things. Okay, so don't worry. With regard to the glitches, yes, as you saw in the foundation examination, which was conducted in September, certificate in accounting technician course, CAT, conducted in September. Did we not give this thing importance for that genuinely technical glitches? We also are aware now. We don't want to put any students into trouble. Same is the case in December when we conducted this foundation examination. There were some glitches. So technical glitches and other things definitely we will come to this thing. Then another doubt or suggestion or request from your side is, sir, please give opt-out option. Opt-out option, again we are taking the matter as your voice, we are taking it to the concerned this thing. We will discuss, deliberate, and we will see that if possible we will give that opt-out, not for change of center or whatever it is, okay. That is, some students are telling that we have COVID or in the family COVID, sir, now I will not be able to write, or we are having BCom examination in Chennai, some university semester examination which is very compulsory, it is colliding with the same date. We cannot go on doing for this thing, maximum possible postponement, and this thing for your requirement we have given. So these are all the important things which I would like to share with you very briefly, because yesterday's video as a CMA growing together, or our friends, other friends also, they were telling that it is too lengthy, we would like to have a brief this thing. I think this is a little bit brief, but whatever area you want we could come and give you once again. And this is not live, I am going to upload only. Hope it gets uploaded soon and you get it, okay. So have confidence in yourself. Don't go by too many posts and this thing by X or Y in the social media. Don't worry for all these things. They are having some time, they are having some concern, so they are writing. Agreed, but that should not affect your mind, mindset, health. Most important, because when you get upset, when you are this thing, what will happen? You will not have proper sleep. So next day also gone. So don't spend you enjoy social media also, I agree. I also enjoy, but at the same time restrict for the just 2 more weeks only, if possible, and think good things, think big. Think big means what is there? Daily morning, get up, see the mirror in your house and tell that I am smart, I will become a CMA, or whichever this thing. If you are CA student, I am smart, I will become CA. I am smart, I will become CS. I am smart, I will become an MBA or some degree holder or intermediate. Fine, whatever you want, you add that, but you tell that I am smart. That will give some positive energy within yourself. That is very, very important, okay. So today's student, tomorrow's leader. Today's student, tomorrow's executive. Today's student, tomorrow's future. Why I am telling tomorrow's future? Some people made fun of that also. It is because one among the 5 youth across the globe, one among the 5 is an Indian. Please remember, that means Indians are going to rule this world, and why not that be you? You can also be a person to rule this world if you spend a little bit of time in enjoying studies and come out successful in the examination. Our all best wishes are there, okay. So break the chain but not the relationship. Break the chain but not the relationship. This is your Papan Bhai. We'll catch up sometimes later. Yes, advance happy Christmas and happy New Year to each and every one of you, right? Thank you, thank you, thank you.